Hello friends, I am Ambika. Welcome to SA Educational Hub, a platform to share knowledge. Service providers Situn and Ambika. In this Python tutorial video, we will learn what is a Boolean data type in Python, numeric values of Boolean type in Python, built-in function bool in Python, examples. Boolean data type in Python. A Boolean data type in Python has two values, that is either true or false. Boolean values always start with an uppercase T or F, with the rest of the word in lowercase. The Boolean values true and false do not have the quotes that we put around strings. Boolean data types are represented by the bool class in Python. Example. In this example, a Boolean value true is assigned to the variable A. In the next statement, a Boolean value false is assigned to the variable B. The first print statement, print A, will display the Boolean value true. The following print statement, print B, will display the Boolean value false. We can get the data type of an object by using the built-in function type in Python. The last two print statements, print type A and print type B, will display the data type of the variables A and B respectively. Here the data types are bool. The Boolean data type is represented by the bool class in Python. True represents the numeric value 1 and false represents the numeric value 0. Example. In this example, a Boolean value true is assigned to the variable A. In the next statement, a Boolean value false is assigned to the variable B. The first print statement, print A plus 3, will display the value 4 as output because the numeric value of true is 1. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, so the output is 4. Similarly, the next print statement, print B plus 3, will display the value 3. Since the numeric value of false is 0, 0 plus 3 is equal to 3, so the output is 3. The following print statement, print 27 is greater than 9, will display the Boolean value true. Because 27 is greater than 9, the output is true. Similarly, the last print statement, print 27 is less than 9, will display the Boolean value false. Because 27 is not less than 9, the output is false. To get the Boolean equivalent of 1 or 0, we can use built-in function bool in Python. Example. In this example, the first print statement, print bool 0, will display the Boolean value false. Similarly, the next print statement, print bool 1, will display the Boolean value true. In Python, bool 1 or bool 0 will return true or false respectively. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Previous video was numeric data type in Python. Next video is string data type in Python. Contact us ambikarai27@gmail.com. Thank you.